Honestly, guys, hands down, this is one of the best wigs. It's a frontal. You can literally do it to the side like this. Whoa, I'm not mad as well. It's also nice, but obviously you need to comb it so that the parts can. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie for those that are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all about this beautiful wig from Wiggins Hair. You guys know I love Wiggins Hair. I enjoy, installing my wigs from Wiggins Hair. I've already popped in my stocking cap and I have my natural hair all braided up and folded behind. So this is the wig and I'm going to be showing you guys. This is 18 inches. This is actually the shortest I've done in a long time. I usually like to do 24 inches, 22 inches, even 26 sometimes. And the cap is a large size, but this is 250 density. Now, for some people, oh, I didn't even realize it was a frontal. Okay, let's install this. For people maybe who don't really like long hair, this will be a good one for you. It's already been bleached. It's already been tweezed to have a beautiful V, and it also comes with this elastic. I'm gonna pop that on my head. I'm also going to use this. It also came with lashes, but I'm not wearing that today, so I'm just gonna drop this away and I'm just going to dust this wig just to see. Oh, it's so full, man. This is 250 density. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I'm going to be looking this way because my mirror is here. And I'm just going to hook the wig over here. So just this hook. It's very nice. Very, very nice. You know, I said it's 18 inches, so it's going to be like a bob because the hair is very curly. I'm going to define the front. Ah, I like this hair. Damn. I'm going to define. Ooh, it's so nice. If I realized it was a frontal, honestly, I would have used I wouldn't have done my makeup. I would have laid this before doing my makeup. Okay, it's time to lay this hair. So I'm gonna zoom in very, very closely to my hairline for this installation. I think this is going to help you see. I think this is one of the most close-up or detailed tutorial that I'm going to do on my YouTube channel. So this is me just cutting away the ear tabs. As you guys can see, I literally just lined the side of the hair, just line it straight across. And I know I could have used the scissors, but I'm using a blade. So recently I attended an online kind of masterclass sort of with a Nigerian stylist. You know, I just like to just join all these things sometimes. Let me just see what they do differently. And one of the things that I noticed that they did was using blades, because instead of you using your hand with the scissors to ridge or to make it to have curves when you're cutting across, a blade naturally gives it those waves. So if you have steady hands, don't slash your face. You guys can see this as the what would I call it now? The stability of my hands. Feel free to try this method, but if you're not careful, please don't do it. So as you can see, again, I'm just lining the other side. This is just so that the lace will fit exactly over my ear, just right above my ear tabs, right? So as you guys can see, it fits properly, so ear to ear. And I've adjusted the back as well, just to ensure that it's very fitted. So here now, I have switched to my phone. As you guys can see, this is an iPhone camera. This is is it 15 Pro now? This is the camera of my phone, and I'm using it so that it's so close. My camera, when I bring it close, it's always so hard to go back to the previous setting, but we'll go back to that shortly. So here I'm just going in with the mousse. You can use any mousse of choice, but this is a holding mousse, so a mousse that has a better hold is something that I would recommend. So once that's done, you want to just cut again about 3 inches width thereabout, and then you're going to leave a little lace. The closer you get to a mirror, the better. As you guys can see, I'm not cutting as much hair away. There's still a little bit. And you see, I didn't even need to ridge my hand because the blade is never going to give you a straight cut like a scissors just because it's a blade, right? So just see the way I'm cutting it. You can still go back and amend it if you feel like you have mistakes. So you can also have a manicure scissors on hand So here I'm just going in with a lace melt spray from Ebin. So I'm just going to put it on the screen as well so you guys can see what I used. This wig, I removed it literally a few hours after this video because you guys know I wasn't going anywhere that day, and I just decided to film my videos that day. So I didn't need to use a glue, but feel free to use a glue if you want. Also, personally, I don't sleep with wigs, so using this method is always the best for me. But you get the drift. If you're going to be using a glue, literally the same process, just let the glue dry properly. By glue, I made adhesive like a ghost bond. So that's just the hairspray again. See what I was saying, that if I knew it was a frontal, I don't know. This thing keeps happening to me, but just the way my itinerary works, it's just easier for me to do my makeup before I do my hair. But it still worked out excellently in this video. You guys, look at the melt on this side, and I've not even tied it down. This is just using the product. Also, as you can see, another technique I learned from the class, I'm folding my elastic into two just so that it's pressed down. So here I'm just straightening the part of the hair, and while the hair is laying, I just want it to be at the center of my head properly. Then I went in with a tweezer just to twist just a little bit on the sides, on the left and also on the right. You don't need to do this, but I'll explain more of this as I'm doing this video. The thing about hair customization is that you're not supposed to do hair to look like somebody else. You're supposed to let your hair look like it's coming out of your own scalp, the way your own natural hairline is. Not every day's widow's peak. So here I just put some wax stick and also some mousse on the parting so it's flat. Because I kind of combed the parting and I twisted a bit, the front of the hair was a little bit frizzy. So I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Any brand is fine. I don't want to, any brand. And I'm going in with the curling gel. This is the Curl Boss by Anjaki's. Can you see how the curl has gone defined already? Before on the left, after on the right. So you want to do that all over the hair, anywhere that you think it's freezing. You can put it at the back as well. More leave-in conditioner. Apply a little bit more gel. You can decide to go in with the Denman brush to, really, really define the hair. But I chose not to. This is exactly how the hair looks just using my hand. And if you notice, I'm also scrunching it up as well with my hands, just squeezing it so that the curls would revive. And it did that in no time. Next up, what you're going to do is you can decide to press down your hair with the hot comb and then go in with your face powder as I'm doing here, just to ensure that the parting, everything is sleek. You don't need to wear a stocking cap for this install, and that's that. Guys, so it's time to take off, oopsie, the elastic. Oh wow. I tied it so tight, there's actually a line because of how tight I lined this. I'm just going to give you a few minutes. But wow, so pretty. But it's so dry, it's not wet. Honestly, I'm really happy with the way I laid this hair. You guys can see this is from Wiggins Hair. Let me move. So pretty. I can also even do it like this. Let me make it neater. I can actually wear it like this. Gorgeous. Even like this. As a loop on. Very nice. So pretty. I'm going to zoom in with the camera so you guys can see. But yeah, honestly guys, hands down, this is one of the best wigs trends. Like what I was saying about that widow's peak, that's not my natural, that's not me. It doesn't fit my style, but I was able to lay this hair in a way that I'll be able to reuse this wig for in fact, this is my go-to wig now. It's from Wiggins Hair. I'm going to put all the links to purchase in the description box below. Also, the spec, this is 18 inches, but because it's so tightly curled, it's like a bob, and I think it's perfect. I'm very happy I went with this. I'm going to show you guys the back. This hair is so full. I was able to show you guys step by step how I installed it. So gorgeous. I'm even feeling bad that I have to remove it at night. But wow, absolutely beautiful, very nice, very well done. And yeah, so flat as well. I chose the center part because I think that's what suits the style the most. But because I did it to frontal, you can literally do it to the side like this. Oh, I'm not mad as well. It's also nice, but obviously you need to comb it so that the parts can cover. Oh, this is so pretty, so gorgeous. But for the sake of this video, let's leave it as a center part, okay, for the sake of this video. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. This hair is from Wiggins Hair again. I absolutely love it. If you can't tell already, I love it. And I hope that when you're making your next hair purchase, you get this one. Really good quality, really beautiful lace. Did well with the gel. See, did really well with the gel. Obviously, because I was moving it around now, this side is a bit frizzy, but nothing a little more gel can solve. Well, yeah, that's about it for this hair and this video. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.